Hi, I'm Seth Barden, creator of The Shed. This is an app that I made in 2 weeks, in the last couple weeks of my time at Flatiron School. I'm a freelance musician, so I often get hired to play bass in other people's bands. So what that entails is a band leader hires me and sends me a bunch of audio files that I have to learn for a set list on a given date. Um, so usually when I end up practicing those songs, I end up practicing in a bunch of different applications. I listen to the songs in iTunes. I make notes on the songs on a word processor, and I search YouTube for different versions of the song. So I decided to make an app where I can do all that in one place. So user can log in or sign up. Here you're taken to your homepage. We have a little profile picture that I'm storing in S3 storage with Amazon Web Services. Have an index list of all the bands that the user has entered into the app and then all of their songs. So let's add a band and just kind of take this functionality from start to finish. So we click on bands, we go to an index page of all the bands that I currently have gigs for. Let's add a band. We're gonna say I get hired by my friend Ariel East, who I've played with before. So enter Ariel East, submit, and then we're here at the band show page. We can add a profile picture for a nice visual reference of the band, and upload a file from your own machine. So there's Ariel. Submit it. Now she's there. All right, and now we can add a song to Ariel's repertoire. Say she sent me an email and give me a song to add. So we'll take a file from my own machine. We'll take up set, and we'll add it. Add in the title, and this loads up to Amazon Web Services. So it takes a second. There it is. The song is right there. You can listen to the song, which is great. Um, you can take notes on the song as you like. So we'll say that was a 4-bar guitar intro. Again, save your notes. They're there on the song when you come back, and on refresh, still there. And then we can click this button called Search YouTube, which dynamically searches the YouTube API, makes a query based on the band name and the song title. And we have an embedded player, so we can listen to the song here. This is a live version, so it might be a little bit different. So if we like that video, we can save it, or we can look through these other ones that come up with Ariel East and kind of browse her collection. But since this is a different song, we're gonna save this video. So now when we refresh and every time we come back to this page, that video is saved there. So super cool. Let's see what else we can do. We can go to Ariel's show page for her band, and we can add a set list. So this is like a gig for that particular band. This demonstration works better for a band with a lot of songs, so we'll check out Super Yamba Band, who already have a lot of songs uploaded for. We can add a set list by the date, so we'll say we're playing at Brooklyn Bowl. We can pick a date. We're going to play on Saturday, March 24th. We submit that. And now we're here. We're at our set builder functionality for this particular gig. You'll see that the repertoire has all the songs that are associated with this band, as well as a little visual representation of the band on the left. Say the band leader says, "Hey, we're gonna play Bad Dog, Zoza, Afro Rock, and Control per Capita." You can add those songs to the set list, and this little set order here dynamically generates the order of the song in the set. So you can see now Zoza's 2, Bad Dog's 1. And now say we have our set list built. It's our first set, but the band leader says, "Hey, you know what? We're actually going to play Bad Dog last." So you can increment Bad Dog and make it fourth. And as you can see, all the other set orders of the other songs dynamically respond to the user's interaction. This also persists to the back end. So when you refresh, that order there is persisted. Same thing if you delete. So if you delete Zoza, for example, all the other tunes will remain in the correct order for the number of songs in the set, and that persists. So yeah, you can do that. You can do that with all of your bands and all of your tunes. It's really helpful for musicians because if you don't play with a group for a year, you can always come back and you'll have your notes and you'll have your set lists and you can have all of your practice material all in one spot. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. That's the shed. Hope you liked it.